Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, in previous class I discussed about how to represent a radical. Now in today's lesson I shall discuss about how to write any molecular formula. Clear? Look. How to write any molecular formula. How to write any molecular formula. We all know that the molecular formula of H2SO4 is for what? For which compound? For sulfuric acid. Why the molecular formula of sulfuric acid becomes H2SO4? Why it not the HSO4? To understand this, we first know how to write any molecular formula. Okay, look, let us consider any element as symbol M. Okay, let us consider any element whose symbol is M. Okay, and another element having symbol as N. Clear? This becomes N and this becomes N. Okay, now let us consider the valency of that particular element is mean M is X. Okay, and the valency of that particular element is Y. Clear? Now let we write in that way that how? First element. Which element? First M. M is the element and another element is what? N. Okay, now the valency of that element is of that particular element M is X and the valency of that particular element is Y. Clear, student? Look, now what we do? We just exchange the valency between two elements. Okay, that is it's combined with this and that combined with this. Now what is the molecular formula? Now molecular formula is what? M Y N X. Look, the valency of M is X, but here we write M Y. Look, this becomes interchange between M and N. Clear? Look, for N the valency is Y, but here we write NX. That is, it's also interchange. Clear? So the molecular formula of the compound is MYNX. Now we give another example. What is the formula of aluminium oxide? Okay, what is the symbol of aluminium? First we write the symbol of aluminium is what, student? Al. Clear? And the symbol of oxygen is O. Clear? Now we write the valency. Look, what is the valency of aluminum? Valency of aluminum become 3 and the valency of oxygen become 2. Now they are interchange. Okay, clear? Look what happens. The molecular formula of aluminium oxide becomes Al2O3. Look, this oxygen go with 3 and this Al go with 2. That's why the molecular formula of aluminium oxide become Al2O3. Clear, student? Now another example is sodium phosphate. Okay, we all know the symbol of sodium is what? Na. And the symbol of radical phosphate is PO4 3 minus. Isn't this clear? Now in previous lesson when I discuss about what is radical, there I say that the charge of that particular radical is its valency. Clear? Look, now valency of the sodium becomes 1 because it becomes the group 1 element and it contain Na plus. Okay, and the phosphate valency is 3. Now what happens? Now interchange them. Okay, now what happens? The molecular formula is what? Now the molecular formula is Na3PO4. As PO4 is a radical, that's why I represent PO4 between the first bracket. Clear? Look, what is the molecular formula of sodium phosphate? It becomes Na3PO4. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid contain which element? Symbol of hydrogen and symbol of sulfate, SO4 2 minus. It's also a radical. Okay, now the valency is what? Valency is what? Hydrogen valency 1, sulfate valency 2. Clear? This hydrogen go to this 2 and this sulfate go to this 1. That's why the molecular formula is what? H2SO4. Clear, student? Thank you. Visit again.